Namaste everyone. In this video, we will discuss about Java static memory and also the heap memory, and when we are creating a string, how this information will be stored backend, and when we are doing an equal to operator, how it will respond to us. So in this example, I have taken a string variable called string1. I stored a string mahi, and string 2 I stored the same string, and with by using a new object I created a string 3 and string 4, uh, and I assigned the value to string 4 as string 3. So these are my four different strings, and string buffer I created two new objects by using the string buffer. So now let's work on the specific example and question. So for example, string 1 equal to string 2. So here this we are doing a question on these two strings. So string 1 will be stored in the static memory, and string 2 also will be stored on the static memory. So what happens is when we are creating a string 2, the address will refer to the same one. So that's why it will execute this as a both are equal. So equal to will refer to the memory space where these strings are stored. And when it comes to the um, second question, so string 1 equal to equal to string 3. So but string 3 is stored in a heap memory. So that's why you will see this response from the system. Both strings are not equal. Okay. Then next, string 3 equal to string 4. So string 3 equal to. So since now we have assigned string 3 to string 4 in this example, uh, the both are stored in a same memory location. It will execute the true value. Both strings contains equals. Both string contents are equals. Then next one, in case string buffer, let's see this example. So now earlier we have created two new string buffer objects. Now string buffer object, whether we are asking the system whether both the memory locations are same or not. Actually it is not. So that's why it will display they are not equal. And also for example, in case we'll see this example, another example a little later, but let me execute and validate whatever we have discussed. Yeah, for the first question, both string contents are equal. Then second one, string 1 is equal to string 3. String 1 mahi is equal to string 3. It should not. Yeah, second one, for the second question, both string contents are not equal. And third one, string 3 is equal to string 4. String 3 is this one with new operator, with new we created a new object. String 3 equal to string 4. Yeah, this also will become true because both we have assigned string 4 to string we have assigned string 3 to string 4. Both strings are equal. Then the fifth one, final one, they are not equal because string buffer it, by they are both are two different new objects. They will store in a heap memory. And let me open uncomment this one. So what happens? I'm checking whether this string one equal to string buffer object. So string buffer object is this one, and this is the string one. whether we are checking the contents of them are equal or not, but you will get an error saying that operator equal to cannot be applied to string and string buffer. So string buffer and string cannot be compared like this, but whereas if you make this as a string, then both will be equal. But here also it will not be equal. uh, let's run that. Yeah, because they are stored in a different memories over there. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Namaste.